Welcome back to our channel, Digital AI Dollars. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transform any image into a powerful animated video. You can see that this particular video has been created using AI, so make sure to watch it until the end like this video because I have a surprise for you that you absolutely don't want to miss. So please subscribe to the channel and let's delve into the fascinating world of image to animation using AI. But wait, in the description below, I provided you with a bundle of over 5,000 plus ChatGPT prompts that you can use in various online businesses such as YouTube, blogging, copywriting, marketing hats, and more. Be sure to check out the description. Now let's get to the point. To animate any image, you'll first need an image. Of course, this means you'll have to generate an image. You can use various AI tools available in the market to generate an image, such as Midjourney AI, Leonardo AI, and others. However, for this tutorial, I'll be using Ideogram. I'll provide the link in the description, so you can go directly to that page afterward. All you need to do is write a text prompt here. For example, I'll write a happy cartoon image, 3D, Disney style. You can add more text to the prompt if you wish, but for now, I'll keep it simple. Next, go to the filters where you can apply various filters, then set the aspect ratio to widescreen and finally click on generate. It may take 1 to 2 minutes for the image to be generated, so you can wait till then. You'll see that your image has been generated. Once you're satisfied with the image, you can download it. Now you'll need to visit another website called Runway ML. This is an AI video editing tool that allows you to animate any image. Link in the description below, so you will reach this page directly from there. Simply sign up for free. After signing up, you'll see an interface like this. Just click on image to a video, upload your image from there, and hit the generate button. From here, you can increase or decrease the intensity of motion in your video. Then again, click on generate. It may take a few seconds, so please be patient. Okay, now you'll see that your video has been generated. If you are satisfied with this animation, you can download it from there. One more thing, if you're familiar with storytelling, you can use videos like these for your purposes. Even you can build a successful YouTube channel anyway. That's how you can convert any type of image into a video in just 1 minute. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and also smash the like button. See you in the next video. And don't forget to watch the video where I found a secret AI voice, which is like ChatGPT 4, or watch the next video where I told you how to turn any normal image into a realistic movie. Start in just seconds. See you in the next video.